Imagine walking into a courtroom where the facts are disputed and the outcome depends on ordinary people, not just a judge. That idea sits at the heart of the Seventh Amendment. The Seventh Amendment protects the right to a jury trial in certain civil cases. Unlike the Sixth Amendment, this one is not about criminal prosecution. It is about private disputes, money, property, contracts, and accountability. The amendment says that in suits at common law, where the value in controversy exceeds $20, the right to trial by jury shall be preserved. That $20 figure sounds funny today, but in 1791 it represented a serious dispute. More importantly, it signals that juries were meant to be the default, not the exception. To understand the Seventh Amendment, you have to understand colonial distrust of judges. British judges were often appointed by the Crown. They were not seen as neutral. Colonists feared decisions driven by politics instead of facts. Juries were viewed as a safeguard against centralized power. The phrase common law is key here. The Seventh Amendment does not apply to every civil case. It applies to cases that would have been tried to a jury under English common law. Equity cases, like injunctions, were traditionally decided by judges. That distinction still matters today. The amendment also limits appellate courts. Facts found by a jury cannot be re-examined lightly. Judges can review legal errors, but juries own the facts. That separation protects the jury's role as fact-finder. Unlike many other rights, the Seventh Amendment has not been fully incorporated against the states. Federal courts must follow it. State courts vary. That makes forum selection a strategic decision for lawyers. For civil litigators, the Seventh Amendment shapes everything: pleading strategy, discovery decisions, settlement leverage. Whether a case goes to a jury or stays with a judge can change the outcome entirely. Jury trials are expensive, they are unpredictable, they are powerful. The right to demand one shifts negotiating power before trial ever begins. Modern civil practice moves fast. Deadlines stack up. Discovery produces mountains of data. Clients want constant updates. Preparation is no longer optional. This is where tools like Legalizer come in. Legalizer is a mobile-first, all-in-one operating system for law firms. It brings cases, clients, billing, and operations into one dashboard, and it works anywhere. For Seventh Amendment litigation, organization is leverage. Tracking discovery timelines helps protect jury rights. Missed deadlines can waive jury demands. Legalizer keeps filings, tasks, and reminders centralized. Jury strategy depends on facts. Depositions, exhibits, and expert reports must be accessible instantly. Legalizer makes case materials searchable and available on the go. That matters in hearings, mediations, and trial prep. Client communication matters too. Civil clients care about cost, risk, and outcomes. Legalizer helps lawyers stay responsive without losing focus. Clear communication builds trust long before verdicts. The Seventh Amendment may seem quieter than its criminal counterpart, but it is foundational to civil justice. It puts community judgment into private disputes. It limits judicial power. It preserves balance in the legal system. Understanding the Seventh Amendment explains why juries still matter. Using modern tools helps lawyers protect that right. The Constitution provides the framework. Preparation delivers the result. And in civil litigation, readiness is everything.